I mean, I see how check out about share X market spot, you know. I may represent for you one public report, you know. You don't know what J Nucleus I represent. One J Nucleus, the body said Nucleus, I will say West Side, Wicked and Wild. And you don't know you can find the artists on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. One J Nucleus. Check in.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
We are in like a friend. You suspect somebody? Eh? You know what I'm saying? I have a good reason with it.
But you're not good enough. That time sometimes.
Anyway, it's not by your you know. So you go. What make you never tell me say Pinky have a madman? A man who have no sense. They are prison. Eh?
Hello. Me thinking the dead enough.
Think.
Me
That
think the man did dead. And further notice me and him not no dealing.
You have my life in a big jeopardy right now. And that me I try to tell you, because man I walk up and done. I look for me. Where man look for me for? Look how long in their prison.
I'm sorry about that, but what
Sorry,
about
sorry, can't buy my life when he shot me. Hey, look at him, man. Make you never tell me say I seen that man. Out the road, lock up.
Why make you never tell me say one papa me come pick up?
Papa,
Eh?
Papa.
Why make you never tell me say one retarded man me come
Retarded?
pick up? You can't fight back.
Fight.
You can't fight back.
When me see man a pie, me try to run, but me can't run. Man, but me up around the corner around there, sir.
So me ask a question, you can't fight.
When
You
me see-
can't fight.
Listen, when me see man a
Ah,
iron,
listen.
me know what-
Another fight that me mean. You can't get one somebody when I shot them too.
Listen.
Eh? And protect yourself.
You forgot how we talk to. We must have pastor, my daddy, you know.
Listen now.
Remember.
Listen now.
So I'm not a bad person,
Mr. Pastor.
a bad person. Look for.
Missy Pastor get shot too, you know. And when they not bad. So listen to me what me I say now. You see in this lifetime right now, a man go check me too, you know. And
Check.
right now, me want to move out as so what you
Yeah, hear me I say.
What you need?
Listen me I say. The man I walk up and done in a pinky. He bought me from a corner on this side and I tell me say, boy, I hear my woman them that shot you know. That true me not see out of me eye. You hear me here, you know. And people that tell me news, you know. People are girl now come out and tell me news, say, yeah, I'm woman there and sitting in a big house and sitting in bed on my bike. Eh? I ain't buy the bed there.
What on there?
I ain't buy that.
What on there? Eh? Where does I go?
Me said, the man said me in a big bed cock up round there. You know here?
I know him buy.
Well, listen.
Well, all we give me the money, but I know him buy.
Listen what me I say now. Listen what me I say.
I mean buy it.
cut that bullshit them.
Are you
You know
because
why
that
you
bullshit,
that?
Mr. Moore, move out where
But
you
me want to
are.
move too.
Why
So
you-
listen what me I say.
So wait.
Listen, let me talk. Let me talk. If I never you, move not this problem right now, you know. You hear me I tell you, girl. Listen what me I say now.
Fight for what you want. That's the step.
Fight, me go fight. You see who I run, but from me first run. Listen. You know say me not have no money right now. Me tell you the truth, you know, babes, and right now the pocket kind of fracture. But I go check one of my friend named Bulby. He must can help me
You
out.
can't take time talk.
Right now me can't.
Why don't you roll that chat?
You can't take time talk. We are talking about man.
Next senile man.
I don't see now. But
No,
me
take
I
time
must
chat.
dead. You know when I might stick you up, have you gone for a cock if I move? A bun your skin boy, I say I'm around there.
Where have you gone?
But cocks up. Like you laugh and feel like a joke. You're a gun girl, you know about gun. You have to go for a breeze cut then.
I hears me and the man there, you know. So me know about gun.
Listen what me I say. You know, listen what me I say. I go check Ball because but that's thing big. My Ball be a friend and every time I have some big problem, Ball will always help me, you know. I go link Ball be. So when I go and pack up the things that we have in here, it's a little thing we have in just left them, we can burn them around about this, but I got a country go live.
Bonwa.
I thought
I rent out the room. Bonwa.
you look out and suppose my carpet you have in here. You want to come back here so listen what me I say, I go link Ball be. Go and pack up the things them. You understand? Not pack up your house in them, you know, you new them and buy that day. No car crosses go where I go. I left crosses just so. Soon come.
I care about come I come like I want next class is the pick up.
Are you a care? Me a care. Me left you. Tell everyone to come back, go catch you again and bust your head.
You know me now. You don't know
Me
me.
don't want to know you.
Go through the door because you don't know me. And that me they make you know. You think you know me? Me a bad girl. Oh. Me tell her that. Cause me kill it to her now. Rubbish.
Voilà, before that. How you take your whole situation with your uncle?
Good one.
Olivia, me and you know say, anytime you talk like that, something in your brain, you think, what you have for your brain, what you have for the Olivia?
Do you even know right now? I'm just there confused, I know.
You're confused.
But in a real life still, no, I don't feel like say me I gotta make this slide certain way, no, for real, no, cause
What you plan to do? Take revenge?
I don't even know if I revenge go on here, no, cause to what I see right now, I want in life, everything more of him, everything.
So you really
Everything.
and truly sure say
Everything.
him do it?
You gotta tell me, say, in the same timing when me see him, little after that, me they hear say my uncle dead, and me no must med say him and him tell me say him see my uncle.
Your face that chipping head chip out and him do it, but I mean, I don't know. But, alright, my advice to you will be, no rush nothing. Take your time and find out what really are going on. So you see him from the incident happen?
Now look to see him. Because when I see him, I go do him something. And is it true? I know say having one tool on him also too. He might get me for now. But it's a long run short catch. And remember me tell you say it's a must catch. It's a must catch.
Boy, you know why you put yourself in a problem. Remember, so we have one heap of things planned for your future.
Yeah.
I understand say your favorite uncle that you really love him, but you still have to know what you do. You have to act smart. Because next thing you go for this man, you go get locked up. What will happen to me? Eh?
You go good, man. Don't worry about that. You go 100 for sure.
Boy, we don't like this. I don't like this.
So you go still now. I go just do it right and continue just mid span certain things where I go get my brain off fight, you know, cause right now, but even you want to remember about it, even I remember about him, I even put it on brain, you know.
Me see
But-
a walker come on the road like say about to drop down like you have a word by your head. So me have to ask you. Me know say you not take it simple.
Nah, man, he good, man.
You sure? For real. Me no one day and get no call, you know.
No, so nothing like that.
Alright.
Yeah, for my boy Brad to go up on the road still, you see me? So, if not, just call me, I go link him, and me say me I go link, but me say I want to see you first, you see me? So, I link him and now. But, leave you want to walk down the road neither.
Just be safe on the road and if you see him, like try to find out what
Who?
really
See who?
Rasta guy me a talk but remember saying head not so right
Yeah,
in
tell
a
me about
bulb.
Rasta, yeah, tell me
Remember
about
saying
Rasta.
head
All
not
me
so
day, I
right
try to
in.
take my mind from Rasta.
Me know
yeah,
say
tell
you
me
try
about
to take your
Rasta,
mind
Rasta,
from it,
Rasta.
but me know what in your mind bulb you think me an idiot? Eh?
Rasta violate me, and I first violate him, pull gun for me, and me never yet disrespect him in a no farmer way, you know.
But
Never,
Bobby,
you know.
you know saying head
But,
not right
yeah,
it.
he head not right it, if you know who he head mad at for take pan. Cause watch out, me mad too, you know, mine have my surfing ticket, you know, mine have nothing like where him get, you know, but watch out, no, man. Me mad too, me sick, me need help, and nobody know want to help me.
Someone that help you.
Fear help, no say irrelevant about what you know right now. More than we help what you give me right now.
Really?
I know disrespect, but more help right now than what you are shubot to me. Like, what you know right now, come like say. Well, I don't even know if I explain it to you neither, you know.
Bobby, go and buy your business. Because you see this thing, me see where it go. And me see where it lead to.
What you know, you come on.
All me can say calm see and relax.
Bulby! Bulby! Yo! Oh, you hear me like how long my eating hands a bad man, what go on?
I'm forward, I'm back, I'm forward.
Alright, Jimmy, what just away from you, though? Hurry up, forward, brother, hurry up.
I pray.
You know? You know, say, I want him to link up on my friend.
Right
I'm
now.
stay, you know.
Tell I chew you, you know I go through my head. You don't know say what day when my uncle dead, you know about it.
That George,
Yeah,
Babush.
babush.
You hear about me, people in Panama talk about it, you know. George is one man, you know, trouble people,
You
brother.
don't know say same time in do. Only one thing right now, one thing in my head now, I tell me say Rasta do today.
Which Rasta is here, Rasta men now want to be?
Rasta there.
Jesus Christ.
You know say the city man, bad man, the city man. Boy,
Where's Sam?
city man. When you promote a bush, brother, or my uncle bush, the city man promote that.
How what you say?
When I tell me say he see my uncle, I want to got some.
Yo,
Right now, tell I truth, dog, a different men's with the pan right now, you.
brother, I
Right
can feel
now.
the pain, brother.
Brother, man, tell me say, yo, didn't see my uncle, and then a couple minutes more, man, tell me say my uncle dead.
Judge you.
No more something go on.
Something good on, brother. Something good on. You die much I rob
Brother.
your uncle or scam. I say the boy that come from prison, you know. I ain't have nothing.
Brother,
You not even have clothes, not even have money, now, nothing at all. Right now, he come like an anchor dog. I walk around right now. Right now, place man look for catch.
Right now, till me see it, you Now revenge me a praying on my dog. I don't know what you're praying about.
You are pre-revenge right
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
I take him
pre
out, I take
right
him
now.
myself. And I know say, when I see my come out the bush, look after. Man, back me up, bad man.
Why?
I'm boss one a year.
Why?
I tell me something enough for move.
But why upon the chat they do?
Brother, listen to me I say, brother. Listen to me I say, man, boss one in a year. Boom!
The day up on the front there.
Brother, me I tell you, brother, when I see him for bush there, me I tell you, when I see him for bush there. Come, listen, when I see him for bush, right after, the man see me round there so bad, man, I say, boy, are you the woman? I'm come from my woman, you know. That the man I try to tell me, but the man try to tell me, say, you know, see what I hear, you hear my ear. So somebody I tell him things. You understand? Brother, me think me dead. The rest of me is my man boss, you know, brother. Me think me dead.
Right now. You don't know what you're mentioning on my dog, but you know what I'm saying now. Yeah, pray.
You know what me and meds? Eh?
Watch out now. Where are meds?
You know what me and
Yeah,
meds?
yeah.
I dig me up here for dig up, brother. I'm playing for lift
So
up,
you're
bro.
not pray for revenge.
Revenge where?
You really gonna take it like that,
Brother, revenge for a bad man. Me nah look no revenge because me nah have nothing to defend myself. Me nah have no tool. Me nah have no shoes. What me have to defend
that me
myself?
try to show you say bad man, we are gonna work on.
Me nah work on that because him already come out of prison and have tool. So you must can help me as my friend right now. I run more with me a
Help
pinky,
you,
you know.
who you want me help?
Cause
Help you,
this is what me I say now. Me a pinky plan. So we go for country, brother. So we are moving things from done so over there and go for country. So you must can look for me and give me 10 grand or give me something. Not 10 grand. I want 30,000. Bus fare, food cover,
brother.
gas bill cover.
Brother. Right now, two years talk bad man. You're more shaky right now.
Brother, what you mean me I'm more shaky, brother?
You don't have money give you, no?
What you mean you want to give me, brother?
Money give you that car, watch it. You're going to make man bus shut off and you take it like that.
Suppose
I shoot you, you shoot you. Where you done? Run the same way.
Brother, sometimes
the same way. So
they say, oh, fight and run away if you see another day, you know. So me not go like me, I no hear when no man have no pipe in their hand.
China man, you see,
They pipe in friend, you know.
See, nobody not dead for you. Make you can talk, so.
Bad man, I hope a people dead for brother, I hope a cousin me a friend.
Yeah, that. Yeah,
So yes, you give me money.
I don't have no money I give bad man.
That means, brother, you know, say, you know, easy though, brother. If I you in my space, brother, you don't want me help you, brother. Cause, listen to me, say, I'm going to bust a shot off your head. I bust a shot of your ears. If I see when spark like go play sky boy, like a fire rocket. What you tell me, say? That means I don't rate me, bro. Give me a tell some man bust inside of me, that's a bell ring. How you tell me say you can't give me money, but you know what, lift me for my fair place,
No, man, I want free man. Watch out now. Look come on.
Yeah, good, brother, I'm not want to send them to your brother.
Yeah. Listen. What you mean dead? What you mean? You don't understand that. Dead like what? So that, you know, 2 days ago I see man and we have reason with the bush. What you talking about? That's impossible, man. Alright, tell me who do it. Just tell me who do it now, man. You don't know? So if you don't know, you have to tell me half of the information. That don't make no sense. So hold on. What the word on the street? What am I talking about? Cause I guess I know me the money go to farm every day, brother. And then if I forward no one, I'm on wipe him out, you're mad. How that you go on? Anybody do it, man, out. Me I tell you, wipe out style. Yeah, I see he look a nephew which did it. Even though I'm a nephew them. Yeah, I come here, so I look me, I'm a little daughter. Me not even pray that, brother. Me I tell you straight and plain. What? Headshot. that means say the business are gonna get mashed up there. What text me, man? Yo, Mr. Stop! Make sure so what you tell me I saw you going on. You hear me say? It's all show off the whole vibes with all. Yo, make sure say what you tell me I saw you go. That's all me I tell you. You hear me say, sir? Until my brethren think I say it ago. That's what I go. Yeah, I see me can link up all the nephew and so on. Yeah. Alright. Hello, relax the man. We are move some. Eh? I want to. Where Bulb there? Bulb me come from.
Bulb come from?
Bulb me come for check.
Oh, Bulb is not there.
So you mean Bulb there? Yes, Bulb live.
Yeah, yes, I live.
So you am live around the place.
Yes.
So what happened?
In a day.
What mean not there?
In a day.
So when gone? Talk to me after before you somebody.
In gone on the road.
I'm gone do.
Why you asking so much question?
What do you mean to me ask so much question? Listen to me, sir. Me forward just to just have a serious conversation with Bulb because I understand what go on because why may I tell you, sir? Sometimes in life you have to wonder really what go on because some people when they need to get certain things, they get certain things, you know. You understand me? I say, what do you mean to me I talk about? Eh? Where you go? Eh? Relax the man. Slow man. Relax man. Relax man. You messy. So make you really go answer. How are you here, boy? What can them say me mad? Eh? That?
Yeah.
Boy be uncle. Saying? This man my here say man get shot.
What do you mean this man in here say man get shot?
So boy be know about it?
Yeah, Bulb know about it.
So why am I do about it? How am I cooperate? How am I operate? Eh?
Bulb not take his side, but me not understand you.
What means you not understand me? What you talk about?
No, you kill the man. Everybody say how you do it.
Yo, shut your mouth, man. And stop the foolishness.
Don't use the
Why me
words
not
at
kill
me.
somebody who I know, my brother, my friend? Eh?
No, but
Me the man there bush that try to sort out certain things.
But then say
So
you
what you say?
last then say with him, so you kill him.
What do you mean, me kill him?
Yes, then say you.
Them who says so?
Everybody has to
Everybody like who?
Bulby right now.
That's what Bulb say right now?
Yes, because he say you last thing see with the uncle.
What if you see me last with the uncle? Me tell the man say me I come from bush. We go sort out where I sort out. That was a conversation.
Yeah, but
So our conversation switch. Are you switch the conversation?
I did not switch on the conversation.
You know, woman stay, woman love twist up things. You know, hear
So
one word. What do you mean so me a go answer? How you go answer for?
Me not going
I want to say
anywhere.
me a kill the man. Huh? That's what I say. Oh yeah, say that alone.
No, I
Eh?
did not.
So how you got it? So, what do you mean, hey?
Hey, listen.
Oh yeah, do car crowd for me?
Me not feel to call upon you because you come like attack and want attack.
Me not attack you, me upset because me vex because my brethren drop out. And I me do it. Me left from bush now and forward down from the plane because we done say boy ropes. And the money going to reach and certain things going to start out. We have to buy everything. How that?
Me don't know who.
All me I say. So, you have a phone number for you? You have a phone can call Bulby?
My phone there for my mother charger.
So go up your mother for your phone and never somebody case now.
Listen, my mother not near yes right now. But all me can say, you see, if you gonna check Bulby, please don't go by yourself because right now Bulby hot for you, you know.
Hot for me for what?
And if you catch him, I go handle you. And the more
Angle me, you know me? Hey, yo, shut your mouth. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, time to shut them
I'll be, yo.
Me looking at a joke.
Sometimes I wonder if you're alright. What I see it now, let me tell you. Me go to see it. What I see
Me
it.
no want to sit down, me hard that me attack.
What I see it, you talk. And we sit down and reason. See? That me I say. But me I say really and truly. You have to get through the Bible. If you see him, when you see him, tell him something you want to see him. See?
Me can't tell Bobby that because Bobby cross for you. Next thing me go tell him say you want to see him, he lick me down.
So I don't know the kind of man you deal with, that's true. Man who abusive. That's why I'm telling you, you know what about Rasta life, you know. Rasta life for the best life. But you may say still. Right now, me need to know, say boy, if you hear from Bulby, just call what me I talk to you, man. Slow man, slow and relax the man, me I talk to you, man. Eh? Why you sound so suspicious?
What do you mean by me sound suspicious?
You know nothing
Be
about
careful
it.
yourself.
So what you know about it? So what you know? Tell me what you
No,
know.
why you come and someone come accuse me?
Me not accuse me, I say you sound like you know everything what I want.
Me don't know everything what I want, but I know say you do it.
Mama, if you say it again, me no know what you forgive for left or right. Me not abusive, but me will give you left or right.
But
Yeah,
I
yeah, me
know
stop.
them
Say this
said me.
rubbish on me ears, but I me just
Are
stop.
you them
Who
said
said them? Who named them? Me said. Me paste them right now.
Bulby.
Bulby say,
Wrong of you.
your phone a charge your granny or your mother, you say. Your mother, alright. So, when your mama forward, tell your mama say, you need to make the phone call and you call Bulby. Because I'm in a foolishness, because I'm a boy who really and truly, if a boy go run up step to me a certain way, I'm not going to say ropes. I'm going to shoot and then ask questions after. You get what I say?
I could have said that to do see him in the office, because they're right to know. They chip in and chip out, so you know if you go chip out the day there, you pie. And when time I left your feet saying the alright, I don't go up and over your brain chipping back and I remember see you do something. Now I truth.
Which part is the truth?
The
Tell me which part of the
the
truth.
part when I brain chip out of your shot.
Yeah, my brain chip out that part of the truth, but me not shit. I'm do what?
Huh?
And three elastic.
Listen to me.
You want to go chop me, not sure.
Listen to me.
You want to go chop me, not sure. You want to go chop me, not sure. Sit down, man. Sit down, we are reason, we are talk. Sit down. That's why I don't like spar with certain woman certain time. You know? You see how my woman there, eh? Certain things just not work out. But you hear me I say, when you do get the chance to call Bulby, you hear me I talk up some of them.
Yeah.
When you hear and see Bulby talk to him, tell him someone want to see him. Tell him say Rasta want to see him.
Alright.
See?
Yeah.
You hear me I say? So how soon the feast that go happen?
Mm-hmm.
Normally when you go,
No, me I say,
you're laughing at this.
man.
Just link him for me. See? How what? The number you alright, I'm ready. I'm going to take my number. You know.
Just number.
See my number here.
You did that phone?
I want house phone me. See? So you
But me
shut.
not see nothing upon this, so right in the dirt this so man. Get one stick, see stick there, you get here right there so. When you go down the road, you must see bulb.
953 53 47. See?
953 53 47. Alright. Can you get back my last skit then please and thank you. Hello? This is a mad rasta dirty boy yeah. I true you have him pipe and him him too correct. I'm doing it for true. Rasta friend.
My Rasta friend, oh, he mad man.
He mad man, he come my yard today.
You know do nothing.
Yes, he squeezed me and he grabbed me and he put me to sit down and he shot me down sitting.
No, sir.
Yes.
And I know you come look for me and tell me all of that.
Because he not too long left from yard, but guess what? He might tell me say that him shut your uncle, he come my yard to look for you and I ask oh yeah, take you and everything.
So you believe what you tell us? You really believe, you believe, no, me ask you, officer, I believe what you tell us, sir.
Like, in kind of look innocent. Like, you know, like I didn't do.
Even though I want to set up bomb.
What must you do? Like, me don't know, he come my yard and yeah. But he said if call it, he said me must call him anytime you come, man.
Right now, it makes sense to tell me this here still, like, right now, me not, you see, he chatting, me not too depend that with no man right now, you know. That I think about
But
him
me
right
feel
now.
like if you go to him and find out what really going on.
Me if you go to him,
Because me feel like you not take this wrong.
me don't have to go to him.
No,
Time
but
me and
suppose
time you
he
see
not
me
do
and
it.
time you hear say me go to him. Either in dead or him have to run away. You
But-
right?
But you need to calm down.
You tell me about calm
Calm
down,
down,
calm down,
boy,
calm
boy.
down. You mean you tell me about calm down.
But you understand
You think
me?
this a calmness you go put me now where I make my uncle come back?
Me know what you are saying now, but he must say some business in my uncle did I do up in the bushy there
Some
one time you
business.
see him. He said left him man up there, you don't know what happened. You sure say somebody never offer your uncle or something? Like your uncle never in some dealings or whatever.
From me know my uncle, only thing my uncle do from the yard to bush. He not chat to people.
Yeah, you can't
He
swear
not
for
chat. Me
nobody
not say for
nowadays.
no man. But that the man, me I tell you say a long time me know Rasta and him they help grow. Me tell you say I'm my uncle friend. Like that. And I like say I'm my uncle friend and my uncle friend like that. So as so comes me know Rasta man. You see me, my uncle
So I
no
really
big.
feel like you would have just come back and do him something and why would I
Right now,
want
my
to
head
do
start
your
hot
uncle
me, you know.
something?
And all my head make start hot me, you know.
Oh, me make your head
You
start
mean you
hot,
can't
because
tell
me
me
I put sense in your
foolishness,
head
brother.
and you don't
a
want to take it like your
foolishness you
feet.
tell me. Alright,
It
watch
sound
out.
like I truth here, but you see, you know what's wrong with you Jamaican people, the truth hurt.
Big up yourself. Me I go down the road, cause me I go see Mr. Rasta, you know. Matter of
Bulby,
fact, me I go link
and
one
yeah,
of
me I
them
warn
G them
you.
anytime I left you say, you know, cause watch on a man. Right now, me can't take it no more, you know, and my head a hot me, you know. I be things that come down upon my head now, right? Pressure, stress, anxiety, everything. One time I bungle up in this one
You
brain,
need
yeah.
to go sleep
Who fi sleep?
and relax yourself.
Sleep where? So when me sleep, how me I go see him? How me I go see Madras? Remember me tell you say, yo, him, me
Bulby, you know,
me even want chat no
Bulby,
while
you know, see
me
what me I
want
see
chat
now.
in a you.
Bulby, you know, see what me I see. Mine, you take this wrong way.
Me ask you so, you eat from there? You cook? If you not cook, you go on down, you know, cause right now, where you tell me say no make sense to me,
hungry?
you know. No, I'm good.
So when you ask me if I cook for?
You hungry, go on down, go cook something, you know, remember you have a family to take care of, you have chores to do in the yard, go and go do it,
Me
man.
done do everything what me have to do. Ah, come with me, you go down.
That's the man, me so forward.
No, me
No,
and
me
you
so
go down.
forward,
Where
man.
y'all go? Where y'all go?
Say me so far,
Come on.
Say me so far, big.
Come we are good on
Say me
because
so forward. Go
you
on,
know
man.
why you gonna do no all time we are Bulby, me not trust you, no Bulby.
Alright, I'm so
Bulby,
forward.
you see
No,
your
man, me
brain,
so
your
forward.
brain
Go on,
corrupt.
man.
Come
Go on, man. Me so forward for you.
Bulby, your brain
Go on,
not
man.
there,
Me
so
so
Bulby.
forward. You know something I like talk to
Come
you.
on.
You know something I like talk to you, though. Me so forward. Watch out, man. That's me a wait for.
Where y'all go? Where y'all go?
Me a go link my friend. Me a go
Which
link
one
my
of your
friend.
friend
You
are
don't
you?
know him. You
Me
don't
a-
know.
me
Listen,
know
calm
all
down,
of
man. You don't know him, man.
Come
Man,
on,
the
me
current
know
boy you
all of
touch
your
him.
friend them,
You
Bulby.
know all of my friend them. You know
Alright.
all of my friend them.
You see, if my phone ring, trust me, me not left me yard.
No left your yard, turn in your yard. Are your
Trust me.
yard of it
You
turn?
say me want
Are
a
your
Bulby?
yard of it turn?
Bulby, you say
Are
me
your yard
want
of
a
it turn? Go
Bulby?
on, go on, go on, go on. Are your yard of it turn?
Find out what happened
Find
before
out
you
what
jump to
happened.
conclusion.
Find out what
You hear me
happened.
say?
Find out what go on, go on
Alright.
down, man. Go on down, man.
Can't
For,
never want
you know, I
because
said nothing to me will make sense right now.
take time to get your hand out of tiger motor here.
Take them to can out a tiger mouth. You know, so then if you take them time, take them out a tiger mouth. True, me then they go on with nothing. Why? Man, nah like your father, but why? All you have to vex with me right now. You better look about coffee and read for me, because right now I'm in a business again. You know. See ya.
start smoking now? Hmm? You start smoking now?
What are you smoking?
Smoking is bad for you, you know that already. Eh?
You want to tell me that?
So, sell it.
what
Me only
is it
sell it.
like?
Me only sell it. Only sell it.
Oh.
Listen, me say. What going with you? It's a tell me one situation where no sound too good. Come here, say, board your link up. Eh? Talk to me fast. Rain soon fast. Are true?
I didn't really come for approach. I did to come to ask me and I talk foolishness. I did to come and so ask me how. They call me out in a jury and they ask me this.
Listen to me.
You
Just
hear
cut
right?
it off. Just cut it off. Simple
Why?
like that. Because you know say no one good you can certain things are going
Me
on.
all hear something, you know. I mean, I wonder if I true.
Well,
Me
yeah.
yes, you kill Bulby uncle.
No. Who tell you that?
Oh, you don't need to know who tell me that. Just do something no hide. Oh, so I true.
Come here, Dante. Come. Alright, you know see? There's no way you think your father could be a friend killer. And you have to know that. You understand me I say? Me and that man there. How far we I come from? You get to me I say to you? Answer and respond to me when I talk to you, girl. Because you get big when you feel like say, yo.
Because you treat my sister better than me. But anyways, me and
What do you mean you treat the sister better than you?
no man. Yeah.
What you say then? Let me say me do it. You believe say me do it?
What me if you think?
Let me say what you think. Me ask
Right
you
now,
what you
your
believe.
name think I run.
Yeah, we are different from what you believe in your head and your heart.
Me believe.
Seriously speaking,
Uh-huh.
he's a madman, but things can't go from
I'm glad you admit to you, man. First truth you ever talk. Yeah, man.
Alright, so your sister there?
You ask me if you my sister, I don't know. You know what her?
Stay far from Bolivia right now until everything clear. You get me I said to you? And you have to understand say this thing is serious.
Why would you say about him?
Because we don't know what incapable of doing. You understand me I say?
People are
Yeah, based on the circumstances. Because you tell me now, the woman I tell me all these things say, no worry about the party. No worry about the party.
No, you talk finish talk.
Just stay far from him. Simple as that message. And make things flow.
You know, so if I have to go dead, me go dead, bro.
Dead to her.
Okay.
So you are serious involved then? Me I tell you to stay far from him and you tell me push on the ears. That makes sense?
If you can say I told you, man, I know you want. So when you feel like you can reach the place, I'm not going to run away now. This is not pinky.
Well, I've been people. You know?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, come here, this is a waste of time.
I'm glad I know. You say you don't have sense, you have a bit of sense. Because all the way you say to me right now, it's go to this ease and come back out next. Or something. One way or the other, it's go to one ears and come back out next one. Nothing to register.
When not to link you up, when my sister, wait, I'll use that.
Oh,
We're not switch around. When not to link you up, make sure say you keep me posted, make she know say she will stay off of the road as well. Come in,
so you don't
understand?
get to nothing. You don't have a phone.
You forget what I want? Eh? Come like your brain, something wrong with the brain. Alright, you what? Remember, say myself is stay far from him. Tell Natty self just stay in, just make everything blow off and then you can go back to regular bit. You can go back to regular business. You get it? Alright, love me that. Hug me up, man. And then I say, me a treat your next sister better than you. Hug me up! See it?
Oh. I'll fire it. Oh. Oh, you can't call leave me run up my side. Yeah, man, be there right under my shed. Alright, hurry up. Come before it rain, come down with me. Alright.
Oi! Come in and lock the door.
I'm gonna go.
What going?
Come there. Me say, I come and tell about your ex that I rasta.
Hello, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. No come here so come tell me about dirty Rasta. Cause listen. Rasta come back here and feel like say you want come bad me up and tell me what to do. You understand what to do from what me not to do. So me know when you come here so come tell me nothing about that Rasta man. You understand? Because him local in a female dinner, so nobody will tell me nothing about him. As I can see, I pack up my things them for left here so. Alright. So me know you come and tell me about.
My ex mark this fact. That's all me can say. But I don't know say the Rasta man kill Bobby uncle.
What?
The Rasta man kill Bobby uncle.
No go so.
You mean nothing else?
Nothing no go so, girl. That's impossible. That the man they can't kill that man because the man is my friend. So when they talk about
When is a friend? When you
wrong
mean
bang, that's
friend?
so. Them a close friend. Or if you kill your friend, girl.
Mama say head chipping up probably.
No, brother. Me know saying local. Me know saying head chip. Me know saying have no sense. Me know saying retarding. Me know but listen, no, he not killing your friend. You understand? He not killing your friend. I pack up right now if you left because you can't take your horse.
And the man grab
So you ain't involved? You ain't in a business or something? When you come up your yard? How about
Let me say something to you. You sound like you're jealous. Like I want it. But guess what?
No, just
Me and him not in a no dealings.
But
I
involved or something.
me and him don't involved, but I jealous.
Jealous, me
Because
jealous.
they are access
I
me
know
and
what?
him involved.
I don't mind him take you. Hold on, I don't mind take you. Come on, him kill you. That's what
The
him
blood
do.
of Jesus against
Take
you.
my spot.
And by the way, me love my man and me not give my man bun.
Eh? That a fear business and Rasta business, but guess what me I tell her right
Which
now?
Rasta?
I pack me and
Which
pack up
mad
people
Rasta? Which dirty mad Rasta?
about my business. And I just me does act me active and him involved because you are really scared. I don't business who want to take
You
it.
don't think me would have got there with your ex man?
Me don't know.
How kind of friend would that be?
Me don't know.
Eh?
I brush down my suitcase and all to cause. For me there so much
So
years.
where your man there?
With that, eh?
Where your man there?
You know worry about where him there.
Me not worry about where
All him.
So why sense you agree? Call me when a Rasta go find it anywhere you go, you know, can you chaka?
That's a fan who?
Can you mad?
That's a fan who?
You insane, so I'm go find you anywhere you there.
That's a fan who? Fan who? Eh? Say sick. You come like say you're Rasta sick on me. Rasta find who?
You.
Rasta find me. Let me tell you something. Me will mad Rasta, me vote him. You don't know me, yeah?
What do what?
Me will vote him.
So you didn't know more than the pinky?
Hello! You hear what they ever say about the gun? You live by the gun and you die by the gun.
Oh, so you live by
And you live by the obia?
You die by the buzu.
Yes, you better me go live with it now. Me see some people live with it, you better me go live with it. Cause if he ever ramp with me, and me can't catch him, or if he shut him up, guess what me do him? Me vote him and make him love me alone.
And me can say, just be careful, because I know him go find you on that demand day.
Go find him,
You want that demand day, man, find.
Oh, go find him,
And by the way,
mama.
how comes him and your ex? But you never left, indeed just got jail. So that means that you're the man still in the dealings. And you're the cheat for the man. That's why you come for your nastiness.
So I come.
You're not packing your fridge in a suitcase too.
No.
Eh?
Just tell the one and more, you understand?
I understand. So what you do with the place, Miguel?
But anyway, listen now, you know where about it. Let's take out yourself now. Take out yourself.
So how me that in contact with her? How call you? Can I call up her phone? I don't know which part you're going. I tell you a location.
No, mama, let me tell you something, you know.
How me cannot tell me a location?
No.
I'm your close friend.
Not even my mama now know this location now. Come. Outside.
So, that's why I know Pinky.
Yeah, waste me time. Me no want the man come back and
No, me ask you a
Come on.
question if that's why gone. After me and a close friend, now you come tell me, say, you not tell me which party you go, me and your friend, how kind of style.
How did man then here?
What are you not? Come here, talk to you, and you draw a suitcase.
Come on, girl, what you girl party want the man come kill me now? Lucky door make you come in after you. Me not understand you. Me not understand. You know why me not understand you? Let me tell you why me not understand.
Why you not
Me
understand?
not why you not got it. You love problem. You love problem.
Hey.
Hey, you.
Eh?
How are you doing, Asa?
No,
Are you helper?
no, me not help her. After me.
I fear them as how easy come from, but you shouldn't carry no bag and this a all suitcase.
Also, see that you have a
See
cupboard
them
and
me can help her out with the sitting them. But me ask her say how she not gone if she love problem. Because me I tell her say me man soon come.
Eh? You want to come?
Me I tell her say me man soon come
You
and me
what-
no want
you-
and
Pinky.
Take yourself, man.
Yeah,
Just
but
go on,
we
man.
are
Take
not.
yourself, man. Go on, man.
It's
Enough,
okay.
some man.
you're a suitcase.
No, me know that suitcase. You figure say me will give it by you. Move from the yard,
No,
man.
but the thing
Me
is
say
that-
come from the yard and move from here, man. It's like a backside.
Pinky.
Yo,
Can
listen
me
here,
things
son.
them come another here?
You see that talk?
Alright, sorry.
Think you want me?
Me help her with her things
Pinky,
them.
Pinky, you want me, Pinky?
Me
Want
help
Pinky?
her with her things
What kind of
them.
things you help her with?
Stop.
Pinky, you want me, Pinky?
Let-
Pinky, want me?
Let me go.
Want me? Eh? You say
Let
want
me
me?
go.
A fight you want fight me? Eh? Fight you want fight me? Eh? Come here, so come show you. Relax yourself. Eh? We are pack up. Eh?
Let me go.
You know what I want? Relax yourself. You come fight me, I go on like say. You think it's stronger than you?
Let me go now.
Yo, me have been
Tear
told
out
for me
your locks
now.
out
Mind
tired
me
in the
told
man.
bust for your side.
Let me go.
Relax yourself.
Let me go.
Relax yourself, man.
Don't do that.
Come check here, come go on like you nonsense.
Girl, come for your suitcase.
You still at that like. If me check your suitcase right now, everything in your fear.
Check it. I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of you. You just make trouble going here, man. Watch it. I'm afraid of you and that. Eh? You and that go dead.
Talk to you. Come on, get in here, class. Eh? Pop off your neck. Eh? You know, like me, hey, how long you want to do this? Eh? Come on, get so strong, eh? Get strong. Eh? Get strong. Get strong. Eh? Get strong.
Let me go.
You come talk to you.
Go.
And you come go on like say, you don't understand, say, yo, me a chip, you know.
Let me go, because you think of sex. Let me go.
Me think of sex. A sex up in your mind, everything you touch me.
Let me go.
Everything you touch me, I talk about sex.
Let me go.
I mean, here it's not spread around the community. I mean, we don't really go for true. But I got ask about it. I just say, oh,
Same here, I would do it.
they must say I'm a father do it, but he just linked me a while ago and he just sound like I him do it. You know,
Watch out now.
if he did do something, he would have behave so. It sound like he have sense, so you know my dad no sense.
Boy, can I shoot? Best thing you do, stay tight with you, you know, because
I see him thinking about telling me.
the things are going right now and you know certain things feedback on you certain way, same way, isn't it? But in real life, makes sense to stay tight with you.
Me still not feel like I'm a father do it. But everybody feel like a him. Or actually act like he not sense.
Watch out now, I know say,
Oh yeah, look so.
the I mean, I have to look if my sister put me, man, I can't trust you, you know, because what? Your father killed my uncle, you know, and you tell me out your own mouth, say, look, madness in your blood, you know, and you know, want you come set me up, you know, in a
Set you
life.
how?
You mean? You call me, you call me sweet, like, say, oh, you know, and me I say, no, sir. One day, you know, say, a second thoughts, me have one come here, so, where you there? Because, two of me see it, me should even reach us right now, you know. In real life, look right now, we don't even feel 100 right now because that's so many.
And all that what me just say is like it I go through this is and I come back out to the next one. Like you're not hear what me I say. You're not hear what me I say.
What you say?
And you know me not repeat myself. Can I repeat myself 2 times? Don't know what. This not going nowhere. This is not going anywhere. After all that you just said, you think it is appropriate to ask if me good? Wow. That is so nice. You can't go back to your yard. The girl let me hear say you have. You have no other woman. You have no other woman with me.
You see me with another woman with you?
Me not have to see other woman with you. If you have other woman with me, that don't make no sense.
Let me ask you one question. Where all of this come from?
What you mean? It's a question and it needs a civilized answer. Is a yes or no? Me no want to hear no maybe.
I mean, I ask you. If
Question can answer question, sir. Answer me now.
I will tell you this. Yeah.
You don't need to know what that is like in here, so nothing to hide.
Then since nothing to hide, don't talk to me, tell me I will tell you
Me
this
not
something.
tell you who tell me that. Just answer the question that you need to do. It's a yes or no. You have other woman.
You know what I say? Tell you the truth though, I'm an auntie somebody somewhere do a day and feel like say I'm a woman, but I know I'm all pray. That's why I want to know who tell her then something.
Who in a them marriage sense I go see you with your auntie and feel like a
Yeah,
woman.
because
Your
I'm-
auntie not much older than you. That makes sense? And me I take for idiot.
No, I'm not taking for idiot, but watch out, I'm an auntie. So wait, that show me older, show me look older than her. She look, wait, me ask her, you see her for yourself, you know she older or young.
Don't worry yourself. What you think me don't know me know?
Nah,
What
man,
you think me don't know?
nah, man, I'm an
Me
auntie
know.
still.
Anything you say now?
The auntie.
Anything you say. Just know so when we start have other man, you can't say nothing, you know. You can't say nothing, you know. And you can't address me about it, you know. Because the worst thing that you
right
ever
now,
do.
tell the truth, though. You just a chat.
Oh,
Nah,
wow.
meds a chat say, you know.
You think me not meds me?
Yeah, man, if meds a chat say, man.
Yes, you see how me look? Me look like me a cat.
Watch out, there you will link up. Watch out, look at me.
Me don't say send you your yard already, so I don't know where still there, so I do. Real idiot, you take me far. Me act like one.
They can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you.
Well, then me there no dog. Some man dust run upon you to me killer. I must say show me 100, you know. My condolences see me no me killer. But I don't know say. I say show me a ball game, you know. I feel like say I beg for your you know, but me say Rasta man not involved in nothing what go on.
Boy, I'm too care, you know, my dog. Between me and him, I'm too care, you know. Right now, I see him call you provide phone and they say me guys come step. So you're right.
Watch out, man, you know, so that I least, but watch out. Yeah, my brother, so we have to check and make sure say everything right before you make a step,
Yeah, my brother,
alright?
man, I'm good, man. I'm good. Believe me, I tell you something, I'm good, my brother, I'm good.
Oh, this up on the way. No chatty bad. We'll
So
fix
you
up
say?
everything, man. They think everything active, man. No chatty, man.
Believe me now.
You even the 2 former dog. Watch out, man. You know, we got to where? Let's check it out. Watch a car boy. You know, if I police boy, man.
snitch still, my brother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what you mean?
Just do your guys to do and keep your eye open. Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, them my fam. Come on, fam.
Rasta.
Wagwan, man.
Yeah, man, me and say, the circle of woman yard, you know.
Yeah, cause you see me as a friend.
Yeah, so more year where you sister, you know, cause that me really do come here so for you, where you depend.
I want to misunderstand that, bro. See? Cause work on the street is like, say them I say. I mean, do some damage, well. Impossible for me to do. For you know if I look at you.
Oh, let me ask you one question. You buy game say no?
Yeah.
You tell me say you come from?
Up a bush. Up a
Who
farm.
you tell me say you go look for?
Me, your uncle,
And
a
you tell me
road.
say you see him though?
Yeah.
So make look after this, that in there.
Me don't know
Man
about
shot
that.
him, kill
Yeah,
him.
but me don't know about that. Me I try to choose it right now, my heart. Full, brother. Me I tell you, God every truth. Yeah, so me I say, see, we have people in the place that talk around the place and them something there, so. Me's not a man for tell us, say, yo.
What make you kill me?
Brother, this a one and now do that, brother. This a boy, no do that. That me I tell you, brawling. Man, I want me, yo, man. Yo, every achievement, every riches. What me achieve, brother, me uncle did. You see me a wipe us man like that. That makes sense to you, bro. Eh? If you're G, you pass certain way, straight through. And you hear certain things. And because every day me go pass, they go pin me to it. And they know some brain sick and me know me up and down sometime. Them know that, brother. So guess what? They go pin anything for me. And that me I show you. So right now the place a circle that say boy, madman killing friend and all them sitting there on TikTok. And them sitting there.
You kill me uncle for?
Yeah, you hear me say? Come here, can I understand me as a general? Reason
No,
me,
it's
the man.
one question me ask you.
Yeah, but me not do that. But you can't ask me a question, me can't answer. Brother, me not do that. We will never do that, bro. Big man thing. Brawling. Reason me even come check your woman, I come on and find you. Come here, say, boy, who you hold on with the whole situation? If you know, say, man, drop out. And who hear the man and kill the man. Headshot in the brother. What if you know me, I say?
Go up the road and get something for you.
You give me. What that?
Watch out, man. See when you reach all of paradise, you see my uncle for me, you see me?
You said you are the done cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker.
How you doing yourself?
But what you know,
How you
you're
doing
not
yourself?
I do me a look for like, me literally they call the phone and I text you, boy, I mean I guess you what happened. Where you run go? What happened? Where you yes, sir.
Right now, serious time right now.
What happened?
Right now, I feel better, I swear.
What do you mean you feel? What happened, Bulby? Bulby, what happened?
Just have to kill the Rasta boy.
What you just say? Bulby,
Nobody, I'm here.
what you
I'm
do
here.
that for?
Let me do what for?
Bulby,
Me feel better, me feel pleased. What you tell me
you
say?
feel better?
Yeah, one day if you didn't know, say I'm favorite uncle that.
Me know say your favorite uncle,
Well,
but
they
I
didn't
did
know.
a friend that.
You tell me
So why
about
man
friend.
that killing your
You
friend?
tell me about friend.
You have a real.
Yeah,
you
kill
not
all
even
of them.
know us. You don't know if
All
I
of them.
man.
Where
Bulby, what
you
is
tell me
friend?
about me no know him. Me no care who. Me no care who. You see anything my mind tell me, I hit me a work with.
You know, say
You see
that
me,
shit
you
for
see how
me
you
happen.
do it, I hit me a work with. Anything my mind tell me, I could have Dick Tom or Harry, my mind tell me, I hit me a work with. I
Bulby,
hear?
no say you not sleep for me yet tonight
I tell
because
you
no
about
police now come. All and pull me fear nobody. What you mean you go kill the man? Bulby, me not want you already, Bulby, me not come to let the situation
I tell you what you
alone.
want me.
Hey, Bulby,
Right now me feel better, Cherry.
Bulby, why? Why, Bulby, why? What you see?
Why me do it?
Me know say your face
Why
like him,
me
but
do
me not think of him.
You don't think of him?
Me not feel say him even got to Pinky and Pinky even tell me say you not think of
So
him
wait,
neither
let me
because
ask you
two of
one
them are
question.
close
So me ask
friends.
you one question. I rather believe people than believe me.
Me nah say that.
Watch out, man.
But the two of them they close, Balby.
Normal pre man, me realize your side start picking up.
Me
The
nah pick
normal
no
pre.
side.
Watch out,
Listen
me.
to me not talk to me no Balby.
Oi,
Relax.
right now, me not
Calm
dep-
down.
you see chatting right now, me not dep on it.
You mean the
You- me not dep on the chatting
You're
right
supposed to
now.
dep on the chatting. You're supposed to. You want to come do the same thing to me? No, you want to do the same thing to me?
Alright.
At that moment,
She don't know
you want to do the
but-
same thing to
No,
me?
me never say me I go hurt
So when
you.
you
Me say me
come
I go
laugh
hurt you.
and go like say you want to lick me?
Never say me.
Eh? And I thought you know what you know chatting.
Me a deal
You
with
see when you
something.
know the wrongs
Yeah, I deal
and
with-
people talk to you feel like say nobody enough to talk to you. Balby, you try to stay up on the low for now. I doubt me and Clatty then clear everything.
No, man.
I'm trying to
pre,
make
man.
Clatty not let What me do for deserve this, God?
To subscribe and free. You subscribe yet?
Yeah. You say you are the dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But watch out now, you not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun. You call yourself a boss, cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach, you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangsta, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangsta life come with pressure. Gangsta life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangsta life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can't be lied. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, yeah. No, yeah. Nah. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not.